So today I've come to a little bit further up of the Georges River Nature Reserve, which is right behind my house, and this is the upper Georges River Nature Reserve. What was pleasing was there was a sign back there saying that they're going to do vegetation cleanup here sometime in the next few weeks. Wonder if they'll clean up all the rubbish as well. This looks like someone's old driveway. Something just ran off there, and I have a feeling it might have been a fox, because it didn't sound like it was bounding away like a wallaby or a kangaroo. All the old farming sheds. Down the bottom is Georges River. New walk, she's never been to this part before. Over the back of all this bush is a road that goes up to Holsworthy Army Barracks, which is just on the other side of the Georges River. I've seen koalas crossing there a few times. And this area over the back, they've seen wild deer here before. And when you're coming on the train back from the city, and if you're coming through between Holsworthy and Glenfield, in the evening in the sunset, if you look out to one of the grassy areas over the back of the bush on the other side of the river, it's known for seeing wild deer there in the evening. A long way from houses. Various houses over the back, but they're hundreds and hundreds of meters away. This is a feral cat. It's interesting. The part of the Georges River Nature Reserve behind my house, it's a lot smaller area. I see kangaroos and wallabies everywhere there. Wallaroos. Here you got so much open grassland here for them to graze on.